Hi, I hope everybody is well and healthy. My name is Eric Rando. I am the founder and the owner of Route Fitness. Now, I understand during these pandemic times of the coronavirus that a lot of us are stuck at home and we're worried about, well, is our delivery guy gonna get our supplies to us, our private home gym that we ordered online, or we don't even have any gym equipment at home and we're just getting antsy and we know we're losing strength, so we don't have a gym to go to, we don't have a pool to swim in, so we're stuck in this confined small space. And so I wanted to kind of give you a workout that was more geared towards my older clients and more vulnerable clients that aren't as strong, or more of the beginner phase. So this is why I am giving you probably one of the worst case scenarios right now. It's a very confined space. I have a 3.5 foot wide by 8 foot hallway that I'm in right now. And I'm gonna do a few exercises just to show you that you can work your whole body with some of the supplies that you may have in your own house. So we're gonna start with just a warm up first. If you're sitting in your chair, you can just go ahead and bring your neck back and forward. Just like this. Deep breaths in and out. You're doing so good. Keep it steady and slow. It's just a warm up. You're not trying to kill yourself. You're just opening up your body. Now let's get those shoulders into it. Good. We got that neck nice and open. We can get our shoulders open back. Good. Give me 3 more. And now forward. Good job. Let your hands relax. Let them go. Very good. Now we're just going to reach up with both hands to the sky. Reach as high as you can. Just reach up. Good. So you can get a kind of bend into it. Nice job. And remember, you're breathing out through the reach. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and do a stand, okay? Good. If you have a chair with handles, that's great. If you don't, that's fine as well. Try to power through your heels when you stand up. Up, and then back down. Good, we're just warming up the body. Up, and then back down. Nice job. Up, and then back down. Good job. Use your handles, it's very important. Up, and back down. Nice job. Up and back down. Good. So now your heart rate should be elevated. You should feel pretty warm right now. You should feel like you're ready to get a good workout in. All right? So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make that squat that you just did a little bit harder for you. So I want you to use that chair that you had there, right? But you can use a door for guidance to help you guide yourself down into the chair. So as you're bringing your hips back, I want you to kind of sit down with your knees behind your toes. You can use the handles of the doors to help you out if you don't have any armrests. Here we go. Give me 10 and 10. Good, back up. 9. Good. Hey, you're doing great. Keep it up. 7. 6. 5. 4. Good job. Give me 3 more. 3. Good. 2. And last one. Nice job. So you've gone ahead and you've worked out your glutes and your quads a little bit, right? So we're gonna go ahead and work a little bit further, but we want to work the shoulders and the upper body a little bit too. And you're probably thinking, I don't have any weights at home to put any resistance against that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you a few objects you have right here in this bag. I have 20 pounds. And you're thinking, well, how do I know that this is 20 pounds? There's a couple ways you can figure this out. Now, one, some of us might have a scale already in our house. So if you do have a scale already in your house, you can just weigh some of the objects that you have in your house and then put it into a bag onto a scale. This is 20 pounds right here. But we're gonna start with some shoulder presses while we're sitting down in the chair. So I'm gonna show you a few objects that can add up to your 3-pound weights. So one object are two of your favorite books. One, probably the Bible, and the other one, The Warmth of Other Suns by Isabel Wilkinson. Two really good books. So we're gonna do some shoulder presses while we're sitting down, making sure that we're comfortable, just so we're putting a little resistance against our arms. And up. Good. Breathe out as you press. 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Now we can bring the books and put them together. That will make 6 pounds. But you need something a little bit heavier than 6 pounds. You want to almost double your weight. So why don't we get a heavier book, a Webster Dictionary. This is a 5-pound book. So we have about 6 pounds and 5 pounds. We have 11 pounds here. So now you can have a little bit heavier and give me 10 more. 10. Good. 9. 8. Good. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Good. 2. And 1. Nice job. Very good. Let's go ahead and put those books back down. So we're getting the upper body worked out right now. So now what we want to do is we want to make sure that we get the chest stronger and we want to get those triceps also stronger. So we're going to do some wall push-ups. Now this may be too easy for some people. Make sure your thumbs are lined up with your nipple line, the center of your chest, and you're just going to press. Breathe out through the push. 8, 7, 6, excuse my creaky wooden floor. 5, 4, 3, good. 2 more, 2, keep your chest up, shoulder blades together, and 1. Good. If that is a little too easy for you, what you can do is you can use a chair. And same thing, keep your shoulder blades together and use the back of the chair and go a little deeper. Keep your chest up, thumbs are lined up with your nipple line, and here we go. 10, 9, 8, great job, you're looking good. 7, 6, 5, you can always stay with the wall if this is too heavy or too hard for you. 4, 3, good. Breathe out through the push. 2, and 1. Nice work. So we get the chest and the triceps, but whatever you do to the front of the body, you also have to do to the back of the body. However, we need something a little bit heavier. And so we're going to go ahead and grab our items again. We have this bag here. And what do we got in this bag? We also have a gallon of water. Now this gallon of water is about 10 pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and start with some rows on the arm, on the back of the chair. Make sure when you do your rows, you have your chest out, shoulder blades together, and you have the back of the seat supporting you, right? And you're gonna row. Good. 10, 9, breathe out through the row. 8, make sure you come up 2 seconds, return 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big squeeze of the shoulder blades. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Nice. So if that's too easy for you, then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab that bag and we're gonna put all the items back into it. So all the items we have the Bible, we have the War of the Mother Sons, we have the dictionary, and we have the bottle of water. 20 pounds. We're gonna put it all right back into the bag. Nice little smiley face in the bag, a reusable bag. And now we got heavier weight, more of a challenge. Here we go. Keep that chest up, and 10, 9, 8, 7, good, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Make sure that when you return that, you return it controlled. So now we've gotten the chest, the triceps, the back, the biceps, the butt, the front of the legs, but we have to get the back of the legs. Now, I chose to do these on-the-ground exercises all at once instead of in between the other ones because I know it may be hard for some of us to get up and off the ground again and again. So once we're on the ground, we're gonna stay on the ground for all of our exercises that are on the ground, okay? So we're gonna go first into some hamstring bridges. So as you're on the ground, you're gonna engage your core, engage your butt, and then raise your hips up. As soon as you raise your hips, you're gonna extend one leg out if possible. Keep your knees aligned, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your hips up and extend the other leg out. Go ahead, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring your leg down and drop your hips. Good, nice job. You can do that 2 or 3 more times. Since we're on the ground, you want to go ahead and go onto your side and get your oblique muscles. This muscle right here is very important in keeping that lower back strong, and it's one of the main players in keeping your posture upright, keeping that balance, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to lift our legs up, keep our feet together, right? Keep our heels together, and then touch the ground. Good. Right back up, and touch the ground. Now, as you notice, I have just a towel on the ground. Of course, I have a yoga mat, I have an exercise mat, but we're using equipment that you might have in the house that I also have. So, up and down. Up and down. Good. Up and down. Nice. Give me 10 more. 10, 9, 8. Good. 7. Make sure you keep your hips stacked. Don't lean back on your hips like this because then you're getting your rectus abdominis. We don't want to get that one just yet. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Let's go ahead and roll over onto the other side. You want to make sure you get both sides. And 15, 14, 13, 12. Good job. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. So we got the obliques. Now we're going to get that rectus abdominis. Now, so we're laying supine on our back with our face up to the ceiling, right? And I want you to take note of my hand. So my hand's going to be up just like this, palm up to the sky. Sort of like the Supreme saying, stop. In the name of love, you're going to stop to the ceiling. You're going to cross your foot over on the same side of the body. Just like that. So one foot on top of the other. And you're going to extend your arm, laying down, just like this. Now, you're going to be doing mini curl-ups, right? Keep your chin to the sky, bringing your shoulder blades off the ground. And up. 15. Good. Breathe out as you come up. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2, and 1. Nice job. So we're going to go ahead and switch the feet and switch the hands. Here we go. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Good. 10, 9, 8. Good job. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now we're going to get the back of the core, that erector spinae, those muscles that keep you upright. Okay, so you're going to come on all fours. If this bothers your knee, then put a pillow underneath your knee. And what we're going to do is we're going to extend one leg out and return. All right, so just so you can see a side view of that. 15, 14, 13, good, 12, 11, good, make sure your knees match and full extension. 9 more, 8, 7, good. 6, try to keep that foot flexed. 5, so don't point your toe as you come out. Keep your foot flexed so you engage that glute. 3, 2, and last one. Nice job. Then you go ahead and switch to the other side. Right? And after you, of course, you get the other side with those full leg extensions, then you're completely through workout and you can go into some stretches. And you can go ahead and message me for some stretches. I can send that to you. So if you have any questions, you can go on to my website and contact me there. That's www.routefitness.com. And I hope everybody is staying healthy. And I close my eyes.